Good morning, dear students. Today we will take a short look about Google Slides. Okay, so on page number 36, supplement is given. We are going to get the introduction about Google Slides. So let us start. We are going to read that lesson. Google Slide is the part of online Google Docs. Docs stand for document, okay, and is available through Google Drive interface. It means in a Google Slide, we can insert our photos, we can save it for the long time. Okay, so it is a free tool to create and work with presentations online for free. Here is a quick introduction to Google Slides. To work with slides, you need to have a Google account. Okay, Google Slides and Google Photos. That options are available in our Android mobile phones also, or you will get it in a computer also. Okay, so to use these Google Slides, we have to first of all create the email ID, right, or the Google account. So, how to start with Google Slides? So, you can see that screenshots are given. Yes, so first of all, from your Gmail account, go to your Google Drive interface and then click on new Google Slides. Okay, you have your Google account, Gmail account. Please click on the Google Drive interface. In that, go to the new option and select Google Slides option, right? Then here you can start from a template or a blank presentation. Okay, options are available to insert through the template, or you can insert from the blank presentation. From a template option will take you to the template library to choose from. Okay, how you want to present your photos or your information, it's totally depend on you. So Google Slides provides you the template means what? The design layouts, right? So working with a blank presentation, so you have above um, learned about the different templates which are available in a Google Slides. Now we will see how to work with blank presentation. So in blank presentation, slides are available in different layouts and you can apply various themes listed on the side panel to apply anytime. You can add text in the text boxes present on the slides, additional text boxes, images, shapes, and lines can be added using standard toolbar buttons for the same. Okay, means you can see in that many options are available, different shapes are available, arrows are available, callouts are available, equations are available, means all the things are available if you're going to work with a blank presentation. Understanding everyone? Yes. Now insert menu allows how to add images, videos, shapes, charts, diagrams, word art, lines, new slides, hyperlinks, comments and animation to your presentation. So these are the features and these are the options are available. If you want to insert these features and these options to your Google slide out, you can insert it using the insert menu option. Okay, let us see how to apply animation and transition. First of all, select the object to animate. हम लोगों को किसको animate करना है? We have to select that object. Then we have to go to insert menu, in it animation panel. Then we have to click on the add animation option. Okay, then it will open up the list where you can see the different types of animation type, and we can click on the start condition. After that, after setting that animation, we have to click on play button, okay, to test whatever animation you have selected. Then go to the that animation slide, then click on slide, no transition option, and then select the desired slide transition from the drop down list. So this is how you can see the different options are available to insert the animation as well as to give the transition for the slides. Now what is mean by slide layout? Where you will get the slide layout? Yes, in a slide menu you can apply any layout which is suitable for your presentation file, right? Then हाउ टू शेयर प्रेजेंटेशन. ओके, अगर आप लोगों ने प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार किया है आपके यंगर सिस्टर के लिए, यल्डर ब्रदर के लिए, राइट? नाउ यू वांट टू शेयर इट दैट प्रेजेंटेशन. What you will do? First of all, we have to save that presentation. Okay, after saving that, it shows the option to share that button, and where it is at the top right corner. Okay, then in the share with other dialog box, mention the email IDs of the recipient and permissions level to edit, comment, or view the presentation. After sharing, if any edit part is there, if you want to see the comment and if you want to view the presentation, you can go through that permission level. Okay, which is in a share with dialog box. Okay, then you have to finally click on send button. Understand? Yes. So please read this supplement again. You will means that is helpful for you while using the Google slide option. Yes, everyone.